Okay, everybody, this is one of the presentations for PowerPoint that I did some time ago. This is for why the sky is blue. I try to explain some everyday physics. That's one of the subjects I love. I don't know if I'm going to teach that necessarily. I'm going to get my bachelor's from Fort Hays State University in general education, not and general studies. Not education. And then I'm going to get my master's in special education. So I'm not entirely sure what grade level or subject I would teach. I would love to teach and work with hearing impaired or deaf students, because that's what I'm getting my minor in, is actually American Sign Language, and also to work with children who are possibly autistic. So I may not be teaching science, or I may, I'm not sure. But this is a presentation. I really do love physics and explaining science to people. For this presentation, I did a PowerPoint to explain why the sky is blue. I didn't use a lot of words, and on the PowerPoint presentation, I think it's easier for people to learn, and often students are a lot of them are more visual. So a lot of the information, especially when you're doing a complex subject like this, it's better to just use visual aids and explain the concept of your idea rather than just having them read from books. Personally, I find it a lot harder just to read a paragraph and understand it than I think other people would. So maybe that's why I tend to teach in this particular style. This just explains that when the light leaves the sun, it's a white light, and it travels from the sun to the earth, and it takes around 7.5 minutes. But that white light contains all the colors of the rainbow, and our different layers of our atmosphere lets in some light and some colors more than others. And actually what we see in a blue sky is actually the blue wavelengths, because they are shorter, being reflected off the different layers of our atmosphere. So that's a very simple explanation of why the sky is blue. And I hope you all liked my presentation. Thank you.